All right, everyone, this is Chris at GoRollick. Today we're taking delivery of Keisha St. Romain and Scott St. Romain's brand new 2020 Buell Pro FX Ranch Edition. They're trading in the 2012 and they're bringing in their brand new 2020 Pro FXT from Bike Center Motorsports. Thanks to the guys, thanks to Dave Dortch, thanks to Kyle for getting this set up for her. So Keisha, how was the buying experience?
Very, very good. We were very happy, pleased, hassle-free, quick.
Fantastic.
Easy to work with.
And you know, being a U.S. veteran, you get these benefits. So you get a special price for being a U.S. veteran and members of the military.
I'm very thankful that they offer that benefit to the veterans. That's very important to us.
Yeah, we want to take care of GoRollick. We want to take care of all of our U.S. veterans and active military, as well as first responders. So we offer this program to help their members purchase brand new ATVs, side-by-sides, motorcycles, and golf carts.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to get out in the woods and drive around.